Hi, in this video, we're going to look at evaluating expressions involving signed fractions on the TI-30XS Multiview calculator. So we're going to evaluate three expressions. In number 1, it says 5/4 times the quantity of 3 minus 2/15. So to input the 5/4, you press the 5, followed by the ND button and the 4. Move to the right for the parenthesis. Now 3 minus 2, the ND button, and 15. Move to the right to input the right parenthesis, and then press enter, and we get our answer as 43/12. To convert 43/12, which is a reduced improper fraction, press the second, the times 10 to the nth power button, and press enter. So 43/12 is equivalent to the mixed number 3 and 7/12. Number 2, we have the square root of 9/4 divided by -3/4 plus 1/2 squared. So to start off with the square root, we press the second square button. You'll notice the cursor is blinking in the black box here. So we want a fraction, so type the ND button, followed by 9, move to the bottom, type in the 4, and move to the right. Now you'll notice the top bar of the square root symbol is still above the blinking cursor. You want to make sure when you press the division button that it's outside of that bar. To do that, you need to press the right arrow key one more time. So now we can press the division button, parenthesis, -3/4. Again, move to the right to put in the right parenthesis, plus, now we have parentheses around the 1/2, so we'll use the left parenthesis, ND button, 1 over the 2, move to the right, put in the other parenthesis, and now press the square button. Double check to make sure we typed in the problem the way it appears on the paper, and we did, and press enter. So the answer is -7/4. If you want to convert this to a mixed number, press second, times 10 to the nth power, and press enter, and that gives you -1 3/4. So again, the -7/4 is an improper fraction. It's equivalent to the mixed number -1 3/4. So next, we're going to input number 3. Notice this time we have what's called a complex fraction. A complex fraction is when you have a fraction in the numerator or denominator of another fraction. So if you press the ND button once, it gives you 2 boxes. Now where the cursor is currently blinking, we're going to input the entire 3/4 to the third power in that box. To do that, let's start with a parenthesis. Press the ND button again. Now we can type in the 3, move down for the 4, move to the right for the right parenthesis, and then type in the caret button to input the 3. So we've just entered the numerator. Next, let's move down to the denominator. Notice it's blinking in the denominator, and we can input the -9/16. So -9, the ND button, 16. Move to the right, and let's just double check to make sure that we typed it in correctly, and we did, and press enter. So the answer is -3/4. So as you can see, inputting the signed fractions into this calculator is pretty simple. So I hope this helps you understand how to do that process. Take care.